guys, welcome back to my podcast. Today we're gonna talking about a philosophy is from Latin, and then I have two guests here. What is your name?
My name is Rustani Riko.
And
My
then
name is Lilis Carlina.
okay, so we're gonna talking about the philosophy, and then yes, I have several questions to give. I'll give a question to my guests. So let's get started. Okay, so the first question: what must often make us forget to enjoy today? Okay, start with Miss Rico.
Being too busy chasing a target and forgetting to feel the process. When we focus only on the final result, we often miss small moments that are actually meaningful and enjoyable right now.
Okay, that's great. Okay, next.
And me, where that the future one match our expectation. This fear makes our minds constantly jump ahead, turning today into a burden instead of a speech to thoroughly live.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Like pressures from others, it's make us feel like we have to be perfect. I mean, we have to always push forward. I mean, we don't enjoy our day. Okay. So next, uh, in which phase of life is carpe diem more relevant?
I,
Yes.
Maybe we can start with Miss Rico.
okay.
Okay.
When we are young, because many precious moments are often set at a young age,
Mm.
we are often busy producing ourselves and forget to enjoy the freedom and opportunities we have.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's a great opinion. Okay, so next,
Me, when we feel tried as a reminder to slow down, carpet them becomes an alarm to listen to ourselves and allow rest instead of constantly passing forward.
yes, I mean, the point is in every phase of life. Okay. So, because time is always moving, so we have to. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next, is living a relaxed life always wrong or
Live,
no?
lives everyone.
Uh,
Now, as long as we stay aware of our responsibility,
mm,
being relaxed doesn't mean being lazy. It means giving space for blanche and clarity. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Okay.
It can be wrong if that leads to negligence and stagnation. Too much comfort can slowly turn into avoidance of responsibility.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, in my opinion, yeah, I think it's not wrong because yes, we have to enjoy our life like cafe diem teach to
Oh
us.
yeah.
So like that. So next question. Why do many people postpone happiness? Why? I mean, maybe you have your own opinion. You can
Oh yeah.
tell us.
Feeling unworthy of enjoying
Mm,
life, yet many believe happiness should only come after success,
mm.
nurturing the journey. Journey.
Journey. Okay. Okay. Maybe from Miss Lilis.
And me focusing too much on the soul instead of the process happiness. I seen as the destination, not something that can exist along the way.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Yes, I think fear of being seen as unsuccessful or unserious like that. Okay. 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 Next question. Do life plans always to be a sight or not?
Uh, Maybe now what matters is having a clear direction. Play may fight, but learning and moving forward still count.
Yeah. 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 Okay.
You
Uh,
Lilis?
Next, Miss Lilis.
Yes, as a form of commitment to ourselves. Plans help us stay grounded and not give up easily. It's all.
Okay. Okay. Okay, for me, they can change with circumstance and life lessons. Like change is not failure; it's a sign of growth and adaptation. Because human is always make a mistake. I don't believe that human in their life never made a mistake. I don't believe it. Okay, next question. Enjoying life without a purpose is what is that?
For me, temporary calming without target, like can feel lighter and more breathable.
Okay, okay.
And
Okay.
I risky for future readiness, too long without direction can leave us unprepared for challenge. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's good opinion for you guys too. Okay, okay. Maybe we move to next question. Okay, does life always have to be serious or just enjoy your life?
Okay. Maybe now, but also need to be enjoyed. Joy and laughter are essential for mental and emotional health.
Okay, next Miss Liz, maybe you have an opinion.
I yes to avoid losing direction. Seriousness helps us take responsibility for our choices.
Hmm.
It is all.
Okay, I think yes, life is not have to serious. I mean, like when you have your responsibility, that's you have to be serious. But if you don't have responsibility, you just enjoy your life. Okay, okay. Okay, next question because we have maybe at least 30 questions, so you have to be patient. Okay. What is the impact of overthinking the future?
Okay, expressive anxiety and pressure, constant, constantly preceding negative outcome,
Mm-hmm.
disturb inner peace.
Mm-hmm, okay.
You?
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
And I uh, the difficult enjoying the present moment. The body may be here,
Mm-hmm.
but the hair is elsewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, this are.
Oh, that's all. Okay. Yeah, I think so. I agree with those opinions. So overthinking is not good for us, for our health. Yeah, it's not good. So don't you guys overthinking. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Next question. Don't be shocked because there's so many questions
Yeah.
here. Okay. Okay. So next question: is happiness a result or a process?
A process.
Happiness is a process or result. Okay.
Maybe a process made of small
Hmm.
daily moment. Um, Happiness can come from simple habits, not just big achievement. Yes,
Okay.
it's
That's all.
yes, it's how.
Okay, maybe Miss, let's have an opinion.
And me, a result of long strongly, there is satisfaction and saying effort finally pay off.
Okay, okay. So, in my opinion, both happiness as a result or process. I think both of them, process and result. That's my opinion. Okay.
Okay.
So let's move to the next question. This is a 10 question already. I think.
Okay.
Okay. When was the last time you truly enjoyed today?
Enjoy today.
Yeah, it is about your experience, maybe. Okay.
Um, okay. When spending time with a loved one,
Hmm.
once without discretion, a simple moment feel warmer when screen and demands are absent.
Okay.
Yeah. You?
How about you, Miss Lilis?
And me, when the man feels empathy and calm, not 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 thinking about anything,
Yeah, yeah,
the
yeah.
present
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
moment.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
yes.
Okay, this is my experience for me. It's when I'm alone in my room, in my bedroom, and I just laying down and I just watching my phone. That's my version. Okay, okay. Next question. Does life always have to go according to plan? Okay.
Maybe no, because life is full of surprise. Many things are beyond our control, and surprise are often shape our path.
Okay, and me, yes. So life does feel cutting.
Okay, okay.
Plans provide structure and a sense of safety.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So for me, yes, I understand if people's plan in life doesn't happen, yeah, they will, feel something like that. Okay. Okay. Next question. Uh, Number 12. What most often disturb inner peace? What? What is that?
You talk happy?
Yes. It's always disturb our
Oh yeah.
inner
Oh
peace.
yeah. Our own constantly racing thought, overthinking turns my problem into mental exhaustion.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
You?
Okay, and me, uh, social comparison with others, saying other achievements makes us forget our own journey.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah.
all.
Yes. I agree with Mr. Rico
Yeah.
opinion.
Yeah.
Overthinking.
Mhm.
That's always disturb our inner peace. I
Yes.
believe that. Okay. And yeah, that's so annoying. I agree with that opinion. Okay. Next, what does carpe diem teach us?
Kevin Jun. Um.
That's a philosophy, right?
Oh yeah. Uh. Awareness of the flow of time. Time cannot be wasted. So each day, different attention.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and me, courage to live fully the encouraged to be present and like meaning from now. That's all.
Okay. For me, Carpe Diem teach us to just enjoy your life. Don't overthinking. I mean, but when you have a responsibility to do, just do it. But don't be overthinking about that.
Not, not your opinion.
Okay, next question. Does failure make us forget to enjoy life?
Enjoy life.
Uh-uh.
Yes, because
Oh.
yeah, because we focus on disappointment.
Mm-hmm.
People often dominate our thought while life continues.
Okay. And me, sometimes depending on our mindset, some people collapse, others learn and rise quickly.
I agree with Miss Lily's opinions because yes, depend on people. Like for me, yeah, it's I mean, forget when I make a failure. It's forget I forget how to enjoy life, but it's just temporary.
Yeah.
After that, okay, next living too safely. Let's do
Um,
what? Let's do what?
um, Less risk, but also fear expensive. Comfort proceed as the drug.
Okay, how about you, Miss Lily?
And I fewer meaningful life experience. Many life lessons come from ball attempts. Yes, that's all.
Okay.
Um,
Yes, I think fear of trying new things, safety can make stepping out of routine feel frightening. Okay. Next question. What does simple life mean to you? This is based on your
oh
opinion.
yeah, yes, simple life. Yes, maybe yes. For me, yes. Because the body and mind need recovery, enjoying life. Mean listening our to self.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
And me, yes, but often seen as unproductive, basic culture labels rest as laziness. Yes, that's all.
Okay. Yeah, that's great opinion. Okay. So often ignore, even though it's essential. Without rest, enjoying life become difficult. Okay. Next question. What does a simple life mean to you? This is yes, your opinion. Yeah, your own opinion.
Uh, for me, more calm, mental calm. However, the mind make the mind lighter.
Okay.
Okay. And me, more realistic and grounded, focusing on needs instead of status. Yes.
Okay. Simple life. Simple life. That's mean you don't have to. I mean, like overthinking, and you just enjoy your life, like village life. Like in my village, that's we do simple life actually. Okay, next. What are signs someone is chasing the future too much? What is the sign? Maybe you have a characteristic, something like that.
Oh yeah. Maybe never feeling satisfied. Every attachment still feel like yes.
Feels lacking. Okay.
Okay. And I always rushing through life, living like a race without a clear finish line.
Yeah. Well, I absolutely agree with those opinion because yes, we can see clearly what is the characteristic of people that I mean like they chasing the future. You
Yeah.
know, I already know that. Okay, so next question: does happiness have to wait for success or not?
What specifically?
Yeah, this is your own opinion.
No, because happiness can start now.
Yeah.
Happiness is an attitude,
Mm,
not a reward. You really?
Okay.
agree.
And I sometimes, depending on life goals,
Mm.
for some achievement brings personal fulfillment.
Okay. I totally agree with with those opinion. But when we reach our plan, our future, our success, it's feel more. We can feel more happiness in that.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah. And then next question: enjoying life without guilt is.
Without guilt. Uh, something, something that must be practiced. Many of us feel guilty when not being proud.
And me difficult because of social pressure and society often values as women over well-being.
Okay. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, and it's very important for our mental health, and then without guilt, life feels lighter and more honest. Is it? Okay, good. Okay, next question. Okay, what do we often sacrifice for the future?
Right?
Yes, for future.
Okay, mental health and peace, resting ourselves
Mm,
to her thin stress and emotional exhaustion.
mm,
Exhaustion.
This
okay.
is all.
Yeah.
And me time with ourselves. We really pause to truly listen to ourselves.
Mm, yeah.
It's all.
And then small, meaningful moments, rest, casual talk, and simple joys are often missed in our life. Is it? Okay. So next question.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm sorry I don't have any during our food here.
Okay.
No problem, right? Okay. And then next question: can carpe diem be applied in the workplace?
Okay. Yes, but making time consciously working with focus and resting reply after work.
Okay.
Okay, it's all.
Yeah.
Okay, and me, yes. As long as it's realities, it's about person, not responsibility. It's all.
Okay. And my opinion, like, yeah, it's gonna be difficult, but deeply needed. High work pressure makes this principle essential to prevent burnout. Okay. Okay. Next, what is a meaningful life about?
Positive positive impact on oneself growth and self understanding give life meaning.
Hmm.
Give life meaning.
Okay, and I impact on other meaning often comes from benefiting others.
And yeah, for me, feeling satisfied with the journey, with our journey, not the perfection. Because if we always looking for perfection, yeah, it's gonna be hard. Because yes, no, right, we just have to enjoy our life in every way. I mean, like, yes, like that. Okay. Next question. Does fear or of failure hinder carpet diem?
Yeah. Yes, the difficulty represent us from trying and enjoying the moment.
That's all. Okay, and
Yes.
I sometimes, depending on mindset, I can paralyze or motivate. That's all.
Okay. And it can be overcome with awareness and accepting failure as part of life. Okay. And then next question. What is the most valuable time?
Travel time.
What is the most?
When
Maybe your experience of
um
experience.
time alone to understand what have reflection clarify what truly matter.
Okay.
Okay, that's all.
Yes,
Okay,
Next, Mr. Ellis.
and I time with loved honest togetherness brings warmth and meaning.
oh
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, and for me, time when you truly feel alive, when mind and moment fully connected,
yeah.
and then when time you're alone, you can understand yourself, like Miss Lily's opinion. Okay, and then next question: what is the biggest mistake in understanding carpe diem? The mistake.
Okay.
I ignoring life responsibilities
Hmm.
is often misunderstood as uh, careless living.
Hmm.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah.
Okay. And I living without clear direction, enjoying today still needs long-term goals.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Like Miss the opinion,
Yeah.
like yeah, carpe diem is teach us about enjoying life, but
Mm.
it doesn't mean like we have to ignore our responsibility. We become lazy.
Yeah.
That's not that's mistake. Okay. So next question: does a happy life always look happy or not?
It-
Uh, no, no.
No. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Uh, because I was visibly from the outside.
Hmm.
Um, Many happy people are quickly confident.
Hmm.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and I sometimes clearly, uh, visibly positive energy can natural sign.
Hmm.
Same. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Yes, and yeah, it depends on the individual. Like everyone express happiness different. They are have a different expression. Okay. Okay. Next question: what makes life feel like it passes quickly? Uh,
Quickly.
Um, Ministry routine activity that make time blur.
mm,
Make
That's
time blur.
all.
Yes. Uh,
Okay, and I mm, lack of awareness while living out pilot living movies presence.
present.
okay. Okay. For me, like when life feel like passes quickly, that mean you don't enjoy your life, is it? That's why it feel like it passes very quickly. Okay. Next question. Life is more about what?
Let's more about
Mhm.
um living day with day. My consistency often matters more than speed. Well,
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Next,
Um,
Miss Lilis.
and achieving specific goals, goals giving direction and motivation. Yes,
Mm.
that's all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And yeah, it's finding meaning in the journey, and then meaning lies in the process, not the finish line, because you have to enjoy the process.
yeah.
Okay, next. Maybe this is the last question of our podcast today. If Carpe Diem were summarized in one sentence, what's gonna be?
Enjoy life with for our ringgit. Be fully present in every moment.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
all.
Yes, that's all.
Okay,
Miss Lilis.
and I uh, appreciate the time you have now.
Mm.
Time is honest and cannot be repeated.
Can.
Yeah,
Okay, that's all.
I agree. Time is, I mean, like YOLO. You only live once, and you have to enjoy your life. And like Miss Lily's opinion, time cannot be repeated. That's why you have to enjoy your life. Yeah, maybe that's the core of Carpe Diem, guys. And maybe that's all our podcast for today, because we have talking much about that philosophy, and there's a lot of questions that I asked to
Yeah.
our guests here, and then yes, maybe this is the end of our podcast, and hope you guys enjoy our podcast, and don't forget to comment
And
and comment
like,
selection below.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
like
wabarakatuh.